चालू कर दी. Good afternoon, friends. Once again, myself Jitendra Jain from New Step Academy, Karavli. Today, we are again going for our class 8th. The topic is rational numbers. As you are, all of you are aware, from last 4 days we have taken the class 8 rational number. Today, the last day and last class for the rational numbers. Then after, we will take the new topic. Now, today we have discussion about the topic is rational numbers. Under this, we will find the determination of rational numbers between given any two rational numbers. Now, if you have to find out only one rational numbers between two rational numbers, so then you should find out the mean. Mean, that means you can say it is average. For example, the two numbers you have to given that 3 and 4, then you have to find out our rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, so what we have to done? We have to find out the mean of these numbers. That is, mean means 3 plus 4 divided by 2. This may be equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7 and divided by 2. So this is the number, rational numbers between the 3 and 4. You can see 3, 7 by 2 and 4. We can write like this. Okay. This is the shortest method to find a mean whenever you have to find out only one rational numbers between given two numbers. Okay. If the numbers are given as a rational numbers where denominators are not same. Now you can look here, that is 3 upon 5 and it is 7 upon 2. Both the denominators are 5 and 2. Both are different. Here we can say here this is the 1 and this is 1. The denominators are same. Whenever denominators are same, we can do by mean. But now here is denominator are not same. So we have to first do denominator same. Whenever you are solving any problem, the first step you should go for that you should make denominator same. Okay, so we have to make denominator same, so we have to do 2 multiply and divide in 3 upon 5, whereas 5 multiply and divide in 7 upon 2. Okay, we have earlier done it this type of terms. That is 3 upon 5 multiply and divide by 2, the another denominator, yours another number, 7 by 2, it is multiplied with first number's denominator. Okay, now you can see both the numerator multiplication, 3 into 2 6, 5 into 2 10. Okay, the another number is 7 5s are 35 and 2 5s are 10. Now you can find so many numbers between these two numbers. This is 6 upon 10, then you should find 7 upon 10, then you should find 8 upon 10, 9 upon 10 up to 34 upon 10, and then after your 35 by 10. You have to find out only one number, but now you can find so many numbers are there, so you can return any number from this. Okay, you can return any number from this series. So just we have to find out only one number between these two numbers. You can find between 6 and 35 any number you can take. That's like 9 upon 10 between these two numbers. This is the between the rational numbers. Okay, now the next question is there. If you have to find out more than one rational numbers, how many? More than one. In our previous question we will find here only one rational numbers. Now you have to find out more than one. For example, you have to find three rational numbers. How many? Three rational numbers you have to find out. So you can do one exercise. You take this in your mind always, that you have to find out the three rational numbers. So that means you should take 3 plus 1. You have to taking always plus 1. The numbers become 4. This is in your, keep in your mind. Okay, now you have to operation with 4. What you have to do with 4? That is the your first number. This is multiplied and divided by 4. 4 come from here, and your now second number, again it is multiplied and divide by 4. हमने प्रीवियस क्लासेस के अंदर भी डिस्कस किया है कि किसी भी नंबर के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड सेम नंबर से करने पर उस नंबर की वैल्यू में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ओके, नाउ मल्टीप्लाई बोथ द न्यूमरेटर, 3 into 4 12 divide by 4. Multiply both the numerator, that is 16 divide by 4. Now both the denominators are same, so you can write between this number 12 के after 13, then after 14, then after 15. Okay, you can say 12 upon 4, it is your given number. 13 upon 4, 14 upon 4, and 15 upon 4, and 16 upon 4 is your given number. So these three rational numbers you find between these two numbers. Is it clear? You have to just keep in your mind that how many rational numbers you have to find. 3. So you just plus 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and you have to multiply and divide by 4 both the numbers. You will find easily the rational numbers between the given two numbers. Now we have taken the another question is also here. Here you can see that both the numbers have denominators 1, but here denominators are different. So now you have to do first of all denominators are same. So same conditions are there. 3 upon 5 multiply with another denominator and divide by it. The second number is 7 upon 2. Again multiply and divide by first number's denominator. Okay, now find out the number. 3 multiplied by 2 6, 5 multiplied by 2 10, 7 multiplied by 5 it is 35, 2 multiplied by 5 it is 10. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to find out three rational numbers, but you have find so many rational numbers between them. So you can write any number between them, that is 6 upon 10, 7 upon 10, 8 upon 10, 9 upon 10, then after your last 35 upon 10. So you can find these types of so many numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, whenever you are unable to find these three numbers, you want to three number but you can't get three number, so then you should go with this process also. Okay, maybe in next our question we will see this type of processes also. Now again solve a same question, different question, denominators are same, and you have to find out three rational numbers. What you have to do, you have to find out three rational numbers, then plus 1 equal to 4. So what you have to do, you have to do multiply and divide by 4. Okay, now 3 upon 2 multiplied and divided by 4. नाउ बहुत डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, तो डिनोमिनेटर हमको सेम नहीं करने अब, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी हमको सेम दे रखे हैं. तो वी हैव टू गो फॉर दिस प्रोसेस. ओके, द अनदर नंबर इज 5 upon 2 मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 4 एंड डिवाइड बाय 4. हम चाहते तो यहाँ पे सीधा बीच में एक नंबर ही मिलता हमको, 3, 4 एंड 5, इसलिए हमें ये प्रोसेस करना जरूरी होता है. ओके, नाउ अब क्या करना है आपको, multiply both the numerator. 3 into 4 it is 12, 4 into 2 it is 8, 5 into 4 20, 2 into 4 8. Now you have to find out the three rational numbers between these numbers, but you can find so many numbers are there, that is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These numbers will come in this side. Okay, that is 12 upon 8. You can take 13 upon 8, 14 को लीव कर दीजिए, 15 अपॉन 8, 16 को लीव कर दीजिए, 17 अपॉन 8, देन योर 20 अपॉन 8. दिस नंबर्स यू कैन टेक बाय योर चॉइस. ओके, बट नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ओनली 3 numbers, so we have written here 3 rational numbers between these numbers. Okay, next question you will see it. Find a rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. How many rational numbers you have to find out? 1. For one rational numbers you can find out mean of these both numbers, and you can find out it by making a denominator same. Both you can do, but whenever you are find a mean of two rational numbers, so maybe you do some mistakes are there, so we have to go for denominator same. Okay, so now for making denominator same, we have to do 1/4 multiplied and divide by another digit's denominator. Okay, now the second digit is 1/2 multiply and divide by first digits. Okay, तो what is this, denominator multiply करेंगे 2 डिवाइड बाय 8, दिस इज 4 डिवाइड बाय 8, 2 के बाद में क्या नंबर आएगा 3, तो दिस इज योर वन रेशनल नंबर इज देयर. ओके, नाउ this is second last question I think, and this is last question. Okay, now much more time will be taken by me. Now you have to write any 5, how many 5 rational numbers between 1 and 0. Your numbers are 1 and 0 and you have to find out 5, so that means you have to do 5 plus 1 equal to 6. This is keep in your mind. Okay, now this is small bigger number and this is small number, so you can write in vice versa also. So we will write here 0 and 1 also. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply and divide by 6. So here we multiply and divide by 6. Here also we multiply and divide by 6. 0 multiplied with 6, it is 0 divided by 6. 1 multiplied by 6, it is 6 divided by 6. Okay, now you have to find out the 5 rational numbers. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 numbers. तो 0 के बाद में 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is there. Okay, just place the same denominator below all the numbers. So you should find here 5 denominators, 5 rational numbers between 1 and 0. Okay, and now we are going for the last question. You have to find any 10, how many 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. The numbers are -2/5 and 1/2. Okay, first of all you have to make denominators same. So this is -2 divided by 5. Okay, multiply with 2 and divide by 2. Another number is 1/2 multiply with 5 and divide by 5. Okay, now this is -2 multiplied with +2, it is -4 divided by 5. 1 multiplied with 5, it is 5. 2 multiplied with 10. Now how many numbers you have to find here? 10, but the difference between integers is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 8 numbers are there, and now we have to find out the 10 numbers. So what we have to do? So we have to do just again multiply with some numbers and making, this is 10, making the bigger number. So you can also go with 10 plus 1 equal to 11, and you should multiply with 11 and divide by 11. This is the same process. Okay, but now you can find also divide and multiplied by 2 also, because you have to find out some more numbers are there. This process I will do it. Now we have taken the common number 2, multiplied and divide. The -4 multiplied by 2, it is -8. 10 multiplied by 2, it is 20. 5 multiplied by 2, it is 10. 10 multiplied by 2, it is 20. Now you can find 10 numbers are there between. So we will just write here 8 divided by 10. How many numbers you have to find? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 number is your, सॉरी कितना लिखे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 नंबर एक लिखना रहेगा बीच में. ओके, नाउ -8 के बाद में -7, -6, -4, -3, -5 छोड़ भी देंगे चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं. -3, -2, -1, you can take also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 तक आप जा सकते हैं, और डिवाइड बाय ईच एंड एवरी नंबर इज 20. तो you can find this type, which quantity you require for rational numbers you can find is also there. Okay, this now we will do this also. This is -4/10 and the number is 5/10. You just multiply, keep in your mind 10 plus 1 multiplied with 10 plus 1 equal to 11. So multiplied with 11 divide by 11, multiplied with 11 divide by 11 also. The numbers become -44 divided by 110. These numbers become 55 divided by 110. Now you can find so many numbers between these 99 numbers you can get. Okay, -44 to +55 तक आप 99 नंबर्स आपको मिल सकते हैं. तो यू कैन राइट बिटवीन देम एनी 10 नंबर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. थैंक यू सो मच. अगर आपको इस चैप्टर्स में किसी भी प्रकार की प्रॉब्लम्स आती है तो दिस इज़ माय कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर. यू कैन आल्सो मेक कॉन्टैक्ट विथ मी. एंड वंस अगेन थैंक्स बाय न्यूज़ टेप एकेडमी सलूम्बर. थैंक यू.